Hello friends, this is Divyansh Patel and I am going to present a practical example how to deploy a React app on our cloud EC2. Here we have opened our cloud management console. So this is our console in which you can see option like EC2 Elastic Cloud Compute, which we are going to use in this session. It is given that how much service you are utilized in terms of post and usage. So let's start. So this is our dashboard in which you can see there are particular sections in which we are given launch instance. Instance is basically a virtual machine or web server which is going to be deployed on our AWS cloud. So let's launch an instance. So basically we are going to create an instance. So first thing we have to give a name to our instance. So I am giving it as my React app instance. Here we are given a section in which we have to select our operating system which we want to use. So in AWS it is known as images, which contains all the software information, which operating system and which services are going to be used. I am using Ubuntu and I have selected my architecture. Now here is giving our instance type, which gives details of how much memory and CPU you are going to use. In this section we are using one virtual CPU and 1 GB memory. And then we have a key pair logic. This is basically used it for making keys to log into our instance. So I am creating a new key pair for that. So my name of key is my React key and I have created a key pair. So our key gets downloaded here. Below we have our network settings in which we have given our VPCs and network types. Now the security group, which is the set of firewalls. So I am going to create one in which I am using allow SSH traffic, which is used for Linux instance. Now we are going to configure our storage. So we can configure it by giving manually, or and a root volume is always given, so where our machine or operating system can be launched, or you can add some new volume if you require. And here are some advanced details if you want to give your instance. So these are the sections you can. So I am going to launch my instance. So my instance is getting initiated. It will take some time. So you can see here our instance has been created. Now let's see whether it's initialized or not. So here the status is pending. Now it will take some time to be in running state. So in this panel we are given instance name, instance ID, its state, its type, and now we are going to click on our instance ID. So here all the details and configurations are given of our instance ID, our public IP address, our private IP address, and the network settings and configurations below. Let's check whether my instance is running or not. So you can see here my React instance is running. So let's connect it so that we can deploy our React app on our Ubuntu virtual machine. So I'm going to click on connect. When I click connect, I have various options of connecting like EC2 instance connect, in which I can directly connect through my browser itself. No need of an external connection. But I am going to go by SSH client. We are going to use this command for connecting. So this command basically contains of our ID which we have created, and the machine information, machine ID, it is given here like Ubuntu machine ID. I'm going to copy it and paste it into our Windows PowerShell. So let's open that, and I have pasted it and hit enter. So let's wait. It is asking yes, so it will take some time. Yeah, you can see that our instance gets connected. So here we are going to check our React app which we are going to deploy. So this is my React app. It is a basic React app. So I am copying the ID and cloning it into our Ubuntu virtual machine. So I will write the command git clone and the copied ID and hit enter. So our React app is cloned on our virtual machine, Ubuntu virtual machine. Now hitting ls, so you can see that it is there, React app test. So we are going to change directly to React app test and hit enter. Now you are in the app. Now, so to run our app, we must install the npm package to run our application on that virtual machine. So I am going to do sudo apt get update, and we will wait for time. It is taking some time. Yeah, and we have to hit one more command, sudo apt install npm, installing our npm with this command. It is taking some time. Yes, so npm is installed on our virtual machine. Let's check ls. Yeah, you can see all the files of our React app. Now we have to install all the packages which are included in our React app so that we can run it on virtual machine too. So I will hit npm I to install all the modules. It will take a little bit time. Yeah, it's all downloaded. Now I am going to run our app, that is by npm start. When I hit enter, it will going to deploy our web application on the server. It is started deploying. It is taking some time. Yeah, our webpack compiled successfully, so our React app has been deployed successfully. So let's check it. I'm going to copy my public IP address and paste it on our browser, local browser, and mentioning the port which I am going to use, that is 3000, and hit enter. When I hit enter, you can see my React app is deployed on our server. This is the way how can you deploy React app on our AWS cloud. Thank you for watching this video.